Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Tech World, and in today's video, I'm going to guide you to how to create a Tinder account. At Tinder, as we all know, is an online dating application and your social networking application. Users here just swipe right to like or swipe left to dislike other users' profile, which include their photos or short bios and a list of their interests. So if you want to enter in the word of this dating application, then you have to create a sedan to create an account. Keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. Now, in order to create a Tinder account, first of all, tap on the Tinder application. So just after you tap on the application, you will be provided with this interface on your screen. So it has 3 different options on Terry's login with Google, login with Facebook, or login with phone number. So today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in with your phone numbers. So go ahead and tap on login with phone number. So it will ask you for your phone number. So go ahead and tap on your correct phone number. Make sure that it's the device you are using right now so that they can say this QR code and you get verified. So go ahead and tap on after you're done, tap in on your phone number and also make sure that you change your country code. So to check it, just tap on here and select your country -10. So after you're done providing your phone number, tap on continue. Now that Tinder will send you a code to your phone number. So -10 if yours is also 10, then go ahead and tap on continue. Now it will ask you for your sexual orientation. So if you're done choosing your sexual orientation, go ahead and tap on continue. Now, it will ask you to show yourself as women, men, or anyone who am a woman as happen women. After you're older than tapping on any touch you are, go ahead and tap and continue. Now it will ask you for your university name. So go ahead and tap on your university name. After you're done typing your university name, go ahead and tap continue. Now it will ask you to select your passions. So click on any as you like. You must select 5 of them. Go ahead and select 5 of your passions and go ahead and tap on continue. Now it will ask you to add your photos. It also says add at least 2 photos to continue. So go ahead and add up 2 of your photos. Go ahead and tap on continue. Now it will ask you to enable your location. You will need to enable your location in order to use Tinder, so go ahead and tap on allow location. You can also tap on tell me more to get more information, so I'm going to go and tap on a location, tap on while using this app. So you will be provided with this interface now, so it is one to avoid someone you know on Tinder. So since Tinder is a dating application, you might want to avoid someone you know because you know it's necessary. So go ahead and pop on continue. So you were done, guys. This is how you can easily create your Tinder account. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comments section. If you have a comment or feedback, friends. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.